everyone. I, Siddak, on behalf of my class 7th U, with profound happiness and pleasure, welcome to one and all to this auspicious day of annual function, the day we all look forward to each year to celebrate our young, talented and creative minds.
We should also like to extend a warm welcome to all the parents joining us today for our school annual function. Your presence add to joy and excitement of this special event. The topic of our assembly is political formation of 18th century of India. Let us begin our day by uniting in a pledge to uphold the values of literacy, communication and mutual respect.
And now please stand up and put your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the pledge. Oh God, I offer you my studies, thoughts, words, and actions of this day. Enlighten my mind, strengthen my memory, and guide me to do what's right. Amen.
Now, to give an informative touch to our day, I would like to call Vikas Jasani on the stage for the thought of the day.
A nation's political formation is the canvas on which its destiny is painted. I repeat my thought. A nation's political formation is the canvas on which its destiny is painted. Thank you.
A group discussion is a great way for a collaborating exchange of ideas where each participant can share their views and experience. So now, I would like to call students of my class for a group discussion.
The Mughal Empire declined in the 18th century due to internal conflicts, regionalism and external invasions leading to a power vacuum.
The Marathas, Sikhs, Rajputs and other regional kingdoms emerged as powerful forces, each with their own distinct culture, government and ambitions.
The Maratha Confederacy expanded its territories through military conquests, strategic alliances, and clever diplomacy, becoming a dominant power.
The Sikh Confederacy emerged as a powerful force led by the Khalsa, a martial community that emphasized military strength, discipline and loyalty.
The Rajput kingdoms maintained their independence, forming complex alliances with other powers to balance their influence and protect their interests.
The British East India Company expanded its influence in India through trade, military power, strategic alliances and clever diplomacy.
The French East India Company rivaled the British but eventually declined due to military defeats, lack of support from France and internal conflicts.
The Anglo-French rivalry had a significant impact on Indian kingdoms, leading to British dominance and the eventual decline of French influence.
The Battle of Plassey in 1757 was a turning point as the British defeated Nawab of Bengal Siraj ud Dowlah and gained control over Bengal, marking the beginning of British rule. The Battle of Buxar in 1764 solidified British power and defeated a combined force of Mughal, Awadh and Bengal armies, leading to British control over much of northern India.
The Treaty of Allahabad of 1765 marked a significant shift in power, with the British gaining control over Indian territories including Bengal, Bihar and Odisha.
The Hyderabad Nizams and Awadh Nawabs navigated complex alliances and conflicts with British and Indian power, maintaining their independence but eventually becoming British protectorates.
The Mysore kingdom resisted British expansion, fighting several wars but eventually fell to the British in 1799 due to internal conflicts and military defeats.
The interactions and influences of regional kingdom and European power shaped the Indian history, leading to complex political landscape of modern India.
The British eventually gained control over much of India, leaving a lasting legacy in the modern nation state, including political institutions, legal systems, and cultural influences. Thank you.
It's time to experience the richness of our cultural heritage through the timeless art of classical dance. Now please put your hands together for the students of our class who will perform an enchanting classical dance.
धन्य भाग सेवा का अवसर पाया पाया, धन्य भाग सेवा का अवसर पाया। चरण कमल की धूल बनावे, चरण कमल की धूल बनावे, मोक्ष मार्ग दिखाया, धन्य भाग सेवा का अवसर पाया पाया। घट में पूजा नाद निरंतर, घट में पूजा नाद निरंतर, ज्योत जली अंतर। ओ सुरन के उजियारे में, ओ सुरन के
the novel is more of a whisper, whereas the stage is a shout.
We are excited to present a compelling drama that sheds light on the political dynamics of 18th century India. Join us on this journey through time as we explore the power, struggles, and alliances that defined the era.
Scene 1. Let's go for a ride through the 18th century India. Their first stop is Awadh, where the Subedar Siddharth Khan is having a discussion with his courtiers.
Yes, my lord, did you call for me?
Yes, I want to strengthen my hold on all matters related to Awadh.
Certainly, my lord.
I suspect that the Mughal Jagirdars are cheating on us.
I think we should assess their accounts, Your Majesty.
Yes, we can do it. And maybe we should also change the tax system.
I have a suggestion for that, my lord. I think the taxes should be collected by Jagirdar, who will bid for the right to collect taxes and pay a fixed sum to.
Great. Both of you issue the farman for these two changes immediately.
Eventually, the Mughal Jagirdars or revenue were given considerable freedom in the assessment and collection of taxes. Mughal Jagirdars' accounts were also regularly assessed.
Scene 2. The Mughal court of Ahmad Shah is discussing the important affairs of his kingdom with his advisors and courtiers. He looks concerned.
Everybody, tell me about my empire.
Your Majesty, I have news from Hyderabad. Nizam al-Mulk Asaf Jah had decided to appoint Mansabdars and Grand Jais. He is also bringing skilled soldiers and administrators from north to Hyderabad.
He is a skilled administrator. I trust his decisions, but we have to be careful, as after the invasion of Nadir Shah, the yoke of the Mughal power has been shattered.
Your Highness, I brought news from Amber. The Rajputs are trying to extend their control beyond their Watan Jagirs. They now have Subedari of Gujarat, Malwa, Agra, and still want to extend their territory.
What is the news from the Deccan?
Your Highness, the Marathas are adamant on challenging our authority there. The Chhatrapati is trying to be the overlord of the Deccan and even planning to expand in the north and the east.
This is a challenge for us, but our depleting resources make it difficult for us to counter him. Anything else?
Yes, there are some foreigners sitting again in the east of our empire. It seems they are probably misusing the farmans for trade.
Okay, get more information about them.
Scene 3. The third show was the Marathas' Chhatrapati court, which was filled with joy and laughter as they celebrated a victory at Asaf Jah in the Deccan.
Let's celebrate another successful military campaign.
Yes, Chhatrapati, if everything goes like this, you will soon see our flags on entire subcontinent.
That dream is still far away, Peshwa. First, we have to capture the territories of under the Rajputs and those to their north.
Hopefully soon. We already have the Deccan under control and the rest will follow it.
Yes, I must applaud your strategy on engaging Nizam of Hyderabad in areas where their supply lines and reinforcements could be easily disturbed. Together, we will make great empire that lasts for generations.
Scene 4. The last destination and office in East India Company's headquarters in Calcutta, 1750.
Hey Thompson, have you seen the latest numbers? Our textile business is booming.
Yeah, it's great. The Indians love our clothes. India provided Britain with raw materials for their factories and was also a large market for British goods.
Exactly. And with Ali Verdi Khan, the Nawab of Bengal, we can set the rules. We are making a lot of money.
But we need to be very careful. The French are still trying to cause trouble and some Indians are unhappy with us.
Come on Thompson, we are winning. Let's go meet Nawab and make more deals.
A lot of things were happening in the 18th century of India. I must say, there was a political turmoil with the Mughal Empire facing challenges from the Marathas, the Britishers and the other regional powers.
We also learn about the attitude and the mindset of the East Indian Company officials during the 18th century, who saw themselves as superior to Indians and were focused on exploiting the country's resources for their gain.
Thank you.
It's time for a beautiful display of poetic talent. So I invite Vedika, Ruhani, Yashna and Urvi to grace the stage with their rendition of an English poem.
In the realm of politics, power and might, leaders rise to fight the good fight. Ideas clash, visions take flight. In the arena of political formations lie.
From grassroots movements to halls of power, leaders emerge in their finest hour, inspiring change, shaping the land. With courage and conviction, they take a stand.
Through debates and policies, they pave the way for a brighter future. Come with me, uniting people, bridging divides, in the quest for progress that abides.
So let us be inspired by those who lead in the realm of politics, where ideas breed. For in the formation of a political sphere, we find the strength to persevere. Thank you.
Music can change the world because it can change people. Get ready to be mesmerized by the melodious voices of our students who are going to showcase their talent through a Hindi song.
ये तारा वो तारा तारा, ये तारा वो तारा तारा, देखो जिसे भी लगे प्यारा। ये तारा वो तारा तारा, ये सब साथ में जो है रात में, तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा। ये सब साथ में जो है रात में, तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा। जगमग तारे दो तारे दो तारे, सो तारे जगमग तारे, हर तारा है शरारा। तुमने देखी है तनक तो, बोलो रंग कितने हैं, सात रंग कहने को, फिर भी संग कितने हैं। समझो सबसे पहले तो रहोगे अकेले तो, इंद्रधनुष बनता ही नहीं। एक ना हो पाए तो अन्याय से लड़ने को, होगी कोई जनता ही नहीं। फिर न कहना निर्बल है क्यों हारा, ना 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 ना, तारा तारा। ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, देखो जिसे भी लगे प्यारा। ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये सब साथ में जो है रात में, तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा। ये सब साथ में जो है रात में, तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा। जगमग तारे दो तारे दो तारे, सो तारे जगमग तारे, हर तारा है शरारा। धन्यवाद।
Instrumental music, a language without words. It speaks to the soul, its beauty and heart. So now I invite Tanveer of our class for instrumental performance.
Moving to the next performance, please join me in welcoming the talented students on the stage with grace and poise. Now they will recite a beautiful Hindi poem that will surely captivate your hearts and minds.
संगठन का आधार हो नेक विचार, देश की सेवा का हो सच्चा साथ, नेता बने सबके आदर्श, ईमानदारी का हो उनका परामर्श।
सच्चाई और निष्ठा की हो बात, हर निर्णय में हो जनहित की बात, संगठन में हो सबका साथ, मिलकर करें देश का विकास।
जाति धर्म से ऊपर उठे, हर दिन में समानता की भावना जगे, भ्रष्टाचार को दूर भगाएं, न्याय और सत्य का दीप जलाएं।
बैठकों में हो सकारात्मक चर्चा, देश की प्रगति का हो उद्देश्य हर्चा, हर नीति में हो पारदर्शिता, जनता को मिले न्याय सच्चा।
आओ मिलकर संगठन बनाएं, देश को नई ऊंचाइयों पर ले जाएं, सच्चे नेता सच्चे विचार, संगठन का हो यही सत्कार।
भारत बने महान और शक्तिशाली, संगठन की मेहनत हो इनमें लाजवाब, हर दिल में हो आशा का संचार, भारतीय राजनीति बने विश्व में आदर्श। धन्यवाद।
Roy Ayers rightly said, the beauty of music is that it connects people. So get ready to witness some musical pearls.
Join me in welcoming Siddhi and Ivri for an English song with delight as they grace the stage with their talent so bright.
I can almost see it, the dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying, you never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be enough. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. Is it the struggles I'm facing, the chances I'm taking, sometimes might knock me down, but no, I'm not breaking. I may not know it, but these are the moments that I'm gonna remember most. Yeah, just gotta keep going, and I gotta be strong. Just keep pushing on. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be enough and better. Sometimes gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting to the other side. Is the climb. Thank you.
Another interesting performance to rock the stage. I would like to call talented dancers of our class for group dance.
चला है जो वही डर है उसका प्रस्थानम। कर्म है तेरा धर्मानम, कर्म है तेरा कर्मानम, आग में पग पग चला है जो वही डर है उसका प्रस्थानम। यत्र सर्वत्र जनमानम, भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि, युगे युगे यही प्रथा कथा परिणाम परीक्षम प्रस्थानम। देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा। सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा। मेरी धरती मुझसे पूछ रही कब मेरा कर्ज चुकाओगे, मेरा नंबर मुझसे पूछ रहा कब अपना धर्म निभाओगे। मैंने वचन दिया